Hi everyone, welcome to MarikaCreations. Today I will share with you how I made an acrylic painting on a canvas that will later on be a piece of wall art in someone else's home. So stay tuned for this. As I said, I will make a painting on a wall in someone else's house, and this is one of many pictures that they gave me to choose from, and I chose this one. I don't want to make it easy for myself to write a lot of details in this one, but they wanted not that misty sort of sad feeling in the painting, more like sun is shining through the trees. So that's what I'm aiming for. Here you can see me putting on a light green base coat on the canvas. It was a little too light at the end, so I ended up covering everything. But it's good to have a base coat when you start, and I'm working with only acrylics. I just didn't want to go straight on painting that wall, so that's why I'm doing it first on the canvas to see if they like what I did and if I can do it, if I think it's good enough to put on a wall. So I have printed out the photo of that forest. Doesn't need to be identical. I just playing around with where the little creek goes and where shadows and lights are. Yeah, you can just enjoy me putting paint on my canvas now, so I will not talk that much. Now I've started to work a little bit more on the details, making the rocks look like rocks, etc. Saving the water for last, because I think that is the most difficult part, to paint moving water. If you're new to my channel, hi, I am Marika, and on this channel I do lots of DIYs, thrift flips, trash to treasure, decorating, renovation of my home, some pottery, some painting, anything creative really. Please join me, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell and join my YouTube family. And here I am painting the sun, the sunbeams shining through the trees. But in the end, my clients or friends, they did not like that the sun was so bright. So they like a sunny day, but did not like that direct sunlight, more like the sunlight shining through the trees. So I will address that in just a moment. So here I am trying to lose that direct sunshine and just have a lighter background. So I'm marking the trees even more now, and then I will go in with some green, darker, lighter, just to disguise those beams, layer by layer. It took me a while to just cover them up. Now here is just the light shining through, and I will make a little bit more light on the sides as well. Now I'm painting just the silhouettes of some branches. Last thing I will do is to sign my painting. And voila, here is how it turned out. Next week I will go to their house and paint this on the wall. So tell me what you think of this creation. Will it look good on a wall, you think? Let me know in the comments. I will let you know how the painting on the wall turned out in my community or in a video shortly, I hope. If you like more inspiration straight away, just hit that playlist icon appearing on the screen right here. Just click and enjoy. Thank you so very much for watching. See you soon again in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye.